on School News. I am Ms. Chacharan bringing to you the highlights and major events of November and December at Himalaya International School, Ratlam. The month of November began on a joyful and energetic note as Students' Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm on 14 November. Himalaya International School, Ratlam organized a special Mom and Me Spotlight Moments activities at the main campus. For grade 1st and grade 2nd, a delightful winter delight mom and child cook-off was conducted on the theme Cook Without Fire, Winter Special Recipe, where mothers and children enthusiastically participated, showing creativity, teamwork and healthy food ideas. For our little learners of nursery, LKG and UKG, a joyful Mommy and Me Play Fest was organized, filled with fun activities that strengthened the bond between mother and child. The celebration created a warm, cheerful atmosphere and made Children's Day truly memorable for students and parents alike. On this special occasion, a vibrant fun fair was organized within the school campus. Students participated wholeheartedly in various activities and enjoyed a day filled with joy, excitement and memorable moments. Along with celebrations, the school also focused on academic preparedness. During this period, Report 1 examinations were successfully conducted for classes 10th and 12th. The examinations were held in calm, disciplined and well-organized environment. According to the school administration, the examinations were aimed at helping students evaluate their preparation and strengthen their readiness for the upcoming board examinations.
December highlights. Moving ahead to the month of December, a month marked by the academic excellence, global exposure and grand celebration at Himalaya International School, Ratlam. HISMUN, Model United Nations Conference. One of the most significant academic achievements of December was the successful organization of HISMUN, Model United Nations Conference. In this prestigious event, students represented various countries and actively participated in meaningful discussion on international, social and global issues. Through structured debates, resolution drafting and diplomatic dialogues, students showcased impressive leadership skills, critical thinking, public speaking confidence and teamwork. HISMUN played a vital role in nurturing a global perspective and a sense of responsibility citizenship, while strongly reflected the school's commitment to academic excellence. Hymn Carnival, the grand celebration of the year. Following the academic success of HISMUN, the school hosted its most grand and awaited event of the year, Hymn Carnival, on 24th December. This spectacular celebration emerged as not only the major school event but also a prominent culture festival for the city of Ratlam. The carnival featured a wide range of sports activities, entertaining programs, attractive food stalls, and colorful culture performance. A prize distribution ceremony was also organized where students were honored for their academic, sports, and co-curricular achievements. Winners of various competitions were awarded certificates and prizes, boosting their confidence and enthusiasm. The entire campus resonated with joy, energy, and festive spirit. The active participation of students, teachers, and parents made Hymn Carnival a grand success and a truly memorable experience. The year concludes with a refreshing winter breaks scheduled from December 31st to January 4th. All the events organized during November and December month beautifully reflected Himalaya International School Ratlam's commitment to holistic development, high academic standard, and nurturing of confident, responsible, and capable students. With this, the month of November and December come to a close, leaving behind memories of celebration, achievement, and inspiration. This is Ojasvi Kumawat signing off. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.